Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and full review of this Vector electric gel blaster gun. It has some awesome features like large battery, far shooting range of up to 100 feet, and it's supposed to shoot up to 600 rounds per minute. It's a complete package, comes also with some safety glasses and 40,000 gel bullets and even a funnel for easy creation of these gel balls. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you everything, charge it, create the gel balls, and then show you how it works in real life outside. So here we have the beautiful packaging, so it could also work as a nice gift. But here also some safety reminder, never give this to small children and always use it only with proper protection. So let's open, see what we get. Yeah, we get definitely plenty of these gel balls. Then the battery and the USB charger, even a small extra package of gel balls, also some aiming equipment. Then we get these safety glasses. They are not super large size, but they should easily fit for children and teenagers. And then the gun itself, really beautiful made, I would say really solid build, really nice. And we get also some basic instructions and some more information here on the back. Then first thing, of course, to start producing the gel balls, because they need a couple of hours. Sometimes you can already use them after 1 hour, but 4 hours is usually recommended. So we fill a jar with water and then fill a little bit of these gel balls into it. Don't do too much, just use a small portion of this package for the first attempt. After that, we start charging the battery. We can use any kind of USB, also power bank. This is especially important if you're out in the woods and need some extra charge. And then we connect the charger to the battery. So we have the red light. To fill up a fully drained battery takes 90 minutes. After that, the red light will turn off. And so in the meantime, we can start preparing the gun. So we can unfold it and secure it here. Really nice, beautiful. And so usually we are using such containers for the gel bullets. But here we have this super fancy bullet holder. And so we can open that on the side and use the funnel here. And so we can fill the bullets here when they are ready. There's quite a lot of space here inside. And so we close this compartment so you can see where the bullets are. And with this toggle here, we can start moving up the gel balls here. As you can see, really nice pumping up. And so we insert the magazine here till it snaps in. If we want to release it later, we have to press this button here. So let's finish the setup here from the front. Let's add this holder here, really nice solid thing. We have also this flippable aiming help here. And we have also this beautiful mock-up telescope sight. I mean, we can turn them, but of course it's not a big help, but it looks really nice. To mount this, we have to release a little bit the screw. And so we can mount it here on top and secure it again. And as a last item, we add this here to the front. So we have it fully equipped. Now it's time to add the battery. So we can just push it here inside, super easy, snaps in. If you need to release it, we just push this button, take it out, super easy, so we don't have to deal with complicated wires. A lot of such gel blaster guns have very tight battery compartment, where we even have to add wiring inside. Very difficult, no problem here. And so it's time to make a first test. We release this security here. We can push already and we can hear how fast this is. A lot of firepower. And there's also some very interesting moving part. As you can see, when we hit the trigger, the thing is fully moving. So it looks very realistic. And so we secure it again and add the gel ball magazine from underneath. It's fully locked. If you need to remove that, we can press this button here. So very easy to use. So we are fully ready. Let's go outside and see how it works. So I'm back here for the final resume, and I can definitely confirm that everything has been working really nice. What's highly recommended to produce your own bullets really fresh. Use them fresh to avoid any jamming. Don't use too large gel balls. Maybe soak it maximum for 1 hour or so. Then it shoots even pretty straight and clean. There's really not much to complain. The only thing I wish there would be something to secure this handle here, maybe with a button. So it's a really sophisticated construction, so you can use it like that, or you can use it close like that. And again, one of the best constructions for the battery. And same thing for the gel ball magazine. You don't even have to preload it manually. You can leave it down here and it will load automatically as soon as you hit the trigger. And there's a huge advantage when you have the magazine down compared to have it on top, when there is still some remaining water or moisture inside of the gel balls. It will never hit the sensitive trigger mechanism. I had it already sometimes on top and there was some water and then it was flowing inside. That's not good. Here much better. So it was really a lot of fun to shoot on the different targets with this gun. And so I can give you full recommendation, and if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.